Upgrade your security with smart locks for your Memphis home. Innovation meets safety for your family. Tired of fumbling for keys? Want to upgrade your home security? Introducing smart locks. Unlock your door with your phone, a code, or even your voice. Control access from anywhere, anytime. Enjoy keyless convenience, monitor who enters and exits, and create unique codes for family and guests. Smart locks offer peace of mind and enhanced security. That's where Ken's Locksmith of Memphis comes in. We specialize in professional smart lock installation. Our expert technicians will ensure your smart lock is installed correctly and securely, and will show you how to use all its features. Serving the Memphis area with reliable and trusted locksmith services. Contact Ken's Locksmith at 954-820-4968 today for a free consultation. Upgrade your home security and convenience with Ken's Locksmith, your trusted local locksmith in Memphis.